Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am going to deliver Sri Rama Anushtup Panchakam. This is composed by myself, 5 stotras in Anushtup Chandas in Sanskrit. So by God's grace I have done this, composed these 5 stotras in Anushtup Chandas on Lord Sri Rama, and hence I have named it as Sri Rama Anushtup Panchakam. So one by one, I am going to recite these stotras now, eulogies on Lord Sri Rama, and then I will deliver you the verbatim meanings also. Now we will begin with the initial prayers, my dear friends, as usual. So Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gam Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Ram Ramapate Namaha, Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sitaramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Pitrubhyo Namaha, Rishibhyo Namaha, Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyebhyach Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyach Devi Devatabhyach Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers, my dear friends. So we will now begin with the recitations. So Lord Sri Rama Anushtup Panchakam, composed by myself, Swasti, by God's grace. Here I go, my dear friends. First stotra is like this. Sita Kantaya Kantaya Namah Kodandadharine Jagannathaya Nathaya Namah Kalyanakarine. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So Sita Kantaya Kantaya, what it means? Sita Kanta means spouse, the divine spouse of Devi Sita, divine consort, beloved spouse of Devi Sita. Sita Kantaya. Kantaya is one who attracts everyone. Sita Kantaya Kantaya Namah Kodandadharine. Kodanda is the bow. It's a very famous bow. He wields the Kodanda Dhanus, the bow. So since he wields that in his right hand, so he is named as Kodanrama, is famous world over as Kodanrama. So Namah Kodandadharine, one who wields such a Kodanda Dhanus, a deadly weapon. So a powerful deadly weapon. So such a powerful person, Namah Kodandadharine. I bow down to such a powerful Lord Sri Rama who wields the Kodanda Dhanus. That is the meaning. So Jagannathaya Nathaya is the third padam. Jagannathaya Nathaya. Jagannathaya means he is the Lord of the entire universe. Nathaya means he is the Lord of all the living beings. Okay, Jagannathaya Nathaya. Namostvadbhuta Kirtaye Sakalanandadaine. We can conclude in many ways. Sakalanandadaine Namah Kalyanakarine. So these are the many ways in which we can compose this Anushtup stotra. So we'll come again. Sita Kantaya Kantaya Namah Kodandadharine Jagannathaya Nathaya Sakalanandadaine. One who bestows joy and bliss to every devotee. Sakalanandadaine. To each of his devotees he delivers joy and bliss. So that is meaning Sakalanandadaine. So 4 padams, 8 lettered, 4 padams are 4 lines. This is the Anushtup Lakshanam. Those who don't know about Anushtup, please call me on 876233815 or view my earlier videos. I have delivered all the Anushtup Lakshanam with the sutra and meanings. So we will now move on to the second stotra I have composed, my dear friends. It is like this. Devaya Ramachandraya Dharmaika Dikshadharine Bhajatam Bhogadataram Namatam Gnanadayinam. This stotra I composed in the same lines as Pujya Raghavendraya, if you observe, my dear friends. So I have just composed in the same manner. Devaya Ramachandraya Dharmaika Dikshadharine. Devaya Ramachandra means he is the Deva, the God of all gods. Ramachandra to Lord Sri Ramachandra, Dharmaika Dikshadharine, who has taken on oath to swerve the path of Dharma. Come what may, he always serves the path of Dharma. So that is the Diksha, oath he has taken. So Ramastu Vigrahavan Dharmaha, that is Valmiki saying, very famous saying. So the same meaning it is conveyed here. Dharmaika Diksha Dharine, one who has taken the oath to follow the path of, to treat the path of Dharma come what may, strictly following the path of Dharma. So that was Lord Sri Rama. So that is the second padam of the second stotra. Moving on to the third padam, what I am saying is Bhajatam Bhogadataram. To such a Lord Sri Rama, take his holy name, chant his holy name, Bhajatam, chant his holy name, meditate upon him. Bhajatam Bhogadataram. He bestows all kinds of enjoyments to all of us. Whatever kinds of enjoyments we are having, it is only because of God. He has bestowed us. Bhajatam Bhogadataram. So take his holy name and he will deliver us all the enjoyments we require. Namatam Gnanadainam. So bow down to Lord Sri Rama. Gnanadainam. He delivers us all kinds of knowledge, whether material knowledge or spiritual knowledge and various branches of knowledge. Everything he delivers unto us, both material and spiritual. So that is the meaning of the second stotra, my dear friends. So I am giving you the verbatim meanings. So we will come again in the second stotra now. Devaya Ramachandraya Dharmaiga Diksha Dharine Bhagatam Bhogadataram Namatam Gnanadainam. So we will move on to the third stotra now. What I am saying in the third stotra is Ramam Lokabhiramam Tu Yascharanam Vrajet Puman Sajatarati Samsaram Ramasya Krupaya Chirat. So that is the third stotra, third Anushtup stotra, and Lord Sri Rama has composed Ramam Lokabhiramam Tu. Means Rama, I go down to Lord Sri Rama, Lokabhiramam, who is the most charming to all the living beings in the world. Lokastu Bhuvane Jane. And Loka is nothing but all the beings, all the persons in the world. So to everybody he is very pleasing and charming. Lokabhiramam, that is the meaning. He is very handsome, very magnificent personality. So naturally he pleases everyone. That is his natural quality, very attractive to everyone. Lokabhiramam Yastu Sharanam Vajet Puman. One who takes refuge at the lotus feet of Lord Sri Rama. Sachatarati Samsaram, that is the third padam. He will easily cross over the ocean of samsara. Ramasya Krupaya Charat. By the grace and mercy of Lord Sri Rama, he or she will easily cross the ocean of samsara. Ramasya Krupaya Acharat. Acharat means very soon he will be released from the clutches of this samsara. Ramasya Krupaya, by the grace of Lord Sri Rama. That is my third stotra composition, my dear friends. I am giving the verbatim meanings. So we come again on the third stotra. Ramam Lokabhiramam Tu Yascharam Rajet Puman Sajatarati Samsaram Ramasya Krupaya Chirat. So we will move on to the fourth composition, my own composition. Now what I am saying is Janaki Shita Kantaya Sumitratmaja Tejase Namastasmai Sri Ramachandra Bhanave. Janaki Shita Kantaya means Lord Sri Rama. In the picture we see always to his left is Devi Sita, to his right is Lakshmana. Lakshine Lakshmano Yasya Vame Cha Janakatmada. That is a famous saying, same as another famous shloka. So Dakshine Lakshmano Yasya. To his right always Lakshmana is there, to the left always Sita is there. So Janaki Shita Kantaya, what I am saying in the fourth stotra is Janaki Shita Kantaya. When associated with Devi Sita, he emanates a soothing, cool moonlight, an aura, soothing, cool moonlight, an aura is surrounding his body. He is emanating that soothing, cool moonlight which denotes bhakti. Chandra, soothing, cool moonlight, always denotes bhakti in Sanskrit literature. So that is it, my dear friends. That is a beautiful composition. Janaki Shita Kantaya. When associated with Devi Sita, he emanates soothing, cool moonlight which denotes bhakti. It delivers us bhakti. So moving on. Next, what I am saying is Sumitratmada Tejase. Sumitra Atmaja. Sumitra, son of Sumitra is Lakshmana Atmada Tejase. So, when he is associated with Lakshmana to his right, so he emanates a radiant, resplendent sunlight. Atmada Tejase. So, resplendent, radiant sunlight he is emanating. An aura around his body is also like the resplendent sunlight, because he himself is a product of Surya Vamsha. So he is full of gnana. So when associated with Lakshmana, he is full of gnana. Sumitratmada Tejase I have composed. So he bestows us even the gnana, this self-knowledge. Self-knowledge is always termed as resplendent, likened to a resplendent sunlight, radiant, blazing sunlight in Sanskrit literature, my dear friends. So next, moving on, Namastasmai, Namastasmai. To such a Lord Sri Rama I am going to go down. Namastasmai, Namastasmai. Sri Ramachandra Bhanave. Sri Ramachandra Bhanave is a metaphor I have used. The resplendent sun called Sri Ramachandra I am going to go down. The resplendent blazing sun called Lord Sri Ramachandra. Sri Ramachandra Bhanave. That is a pun I have also used because Ramachandra is his name. And Chandra Bhanave, when associated with Devi Sita, he delivers as Bhakti. When associated with Lakshmana, he delivers as Gnana. But simultaneously, he is giving us both, because always to his left is Devi Sita, to his right is Lakshmana. So that is a splendid avatar and composition about Lord Sri Rama. Fantastic. We'll come again on the fourth stotra. Janaki Shita Kantaya Sumitratmada Tejase Namastasmai Namastasmai Sri Ramachandra Bhanave. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? I'm going to give the lyrics on the YouTube screen. You can take snapshot and mug up. So now we will move on to the fifth stotra I have composed. It is even more fantastic. It is like this. Vishwasya Presidentaya Ramaya Bhavya Murtaye Sarvadeva Swarupaya Namostvadbhuta Kirtaye. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now, Vishwasya Presidentaya. So here I have used the president, English word president, in such a manner to fit into the chandas of Anushtup. It is a fantastic composition because exactly it fits, and also a reverential feeling, full of bhakti rasa it is there. Vishwasya Presidentaya means he is the president of this entire world or entire universe. So Presidentaya I have used in a funny manner and also on a reverential note, because he is the king of all kings, the god of all gods, an avatar of Lord Shri Mahavishnu. He is the president of entire world or entire universe. So that is it. Fantastic, my dear friends. Vishwasya Presidentaya Ramaya Bhavya Murtaye. Bhavya Murtaye means he is having a splendid, magnificent form. He was very, very handsome, very tall and handsome, and very attractive to everyone. So that was Lord Sri Rama. Mighty strength he had got, and very, very handsome and attractive, tall and handsome. So Vishwasya Presidentaya Ramaya Bhavya Murtaye, splendid, magnificent form he was having. So such a Lord Sri Rama I am going to go down. Sarvadeva Swarupaya. In Rama Stotra there is a word Sarvadeva Swarupaya. Because he in himself, all Devi Devatas are there because he was God incarnate. He was none other than Lord Shri Mahavishnu incarnate on earth. So he was Sarvadeva Swarupa. All Devi Devatas are within himself. Sarvadeva Swarupaya Namostvadbhuta Kirtaye. He was having this magnificent fame. World over he was famous at his times and even now and forever. So that is the beauty of this composition, my dear friends. So we'll come again with all these stotras now, and then I will recite I have delivered the verbatim meanings. So I will recite all the 5 stotras, Sri Rama Anushtup Panchakam, composed by myself by God's grace, and then I will wrap up this video. So here I go, my dear friends. Sri Rama Anushtup Panchakam. Sita Kantaya Kantaya Namah Kodandadharine Jagannathaya Nathaya Sakalanandadayine. That is the first stotra. Second stotra is देवाय रामचन्द्राय धर्मैकदीक्षधारिणे भजतां भोगदातारं नमतां ज्ञानदायिनं. So third stotra is Ramam Lokabhiramam tu Yasharanam Rajet Puman Sachatarati Samsaram Ramasya Krupaya Chirat. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to the fourth composition now. जानकी शीतकान्ताय सुमित्रात्मज तेजसे नमस्तस्मै नमस्तस्मै श्रीरामचन्द्र भानवे. So super fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? The fifth stotra is Vishwasya Presidentaya Ramaya Bhavyamurtaye. Vishwasya Presidentaya Ramaya Bhavyamurtaye Sarvadevaswarupaya Namottvadbhutatirtaye. Super fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So all the five stotras I have composed, I have recited, I have delivered the verbatim meanings by God's grace. And then in the upcoming videos, I will give you one more my composition, that is Shri Mahalakshmi Naivedya Ashtakam. Each of the shlokas I am going to recite again and then deliver you the verbatim meanings. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas TP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Satya Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.